bring it to this side. These things are not trying to bypass the owner to seek for solution. Rather, they are waiting for him to come and help them. Whom are you waiting for? Do you know that your Lord can come and help you in times of problems? Can you patiently wait for him as these ones are waiting? These ones with problem until he comes to convert them to these types and possibly solve this water problem that is overburdening them. I want you to think on these things and consider how you wait on the Lord on your problems. Thank you.